African Dawadawa Tree. So if you guys have been watching our live video, this is how we have been trying hard to get you connected. You see, reconnecting. The network here is very poor and we struggle at it. Sometimes you have to hold the phone and send it up just like this to get the network done. If you get the network, so that you can get you guys back on live. You see, it's hard. The network is not connecting, but so I'm now using screen recording to record the Dawadawa, African Dawadawa tree. This is how it is. Very lovely tree. You see the leaf. So this is the tree trunk, or tell me how to call this one in the comment section. So down like this. This is a small tree. So you see the African Dawadawa tree. Can someone tell us the benefits of this Dawadawa tree in the comment section? Please, if you are watching, simple, you see, unable to connect at this moment. So this is how we have been struggling to get you guys connected. Try again, end stream. So we are on YouTube live and people want to watch us, but the network is very bad over here. So luckily we are using the screen record so that we can publish this content later. You see, so that's it. The stream will not come on. So let's go to another location. Perhaps the network will be better over there, so that we can show you guys another Dawadawa tree. So this is African Dawadawa tree. This is the leaf.